Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In this episode we crack on with the Midget 1500 and try and get the rear bulkhead repaired and the inner sill in place. I've been out and bought a repair panel for the rear bulkhead because I wasn't happy about welding in a repair around a load bearing section like the spring hanger. As per the other panels, I'm not going to use the whole panel. I'm going to mark up and cut out the section I need, ensuring I use the complete reinforcement around the spring hanger. I'm using Hinton panels for all the repairs on the car. I found the quality of them to be exceptional, they fit very well and they're very sturdily constructed. They're also readily available and reasonably cheap and made in Great Britain. You can buy them direct from Hinton via their eBay store. Check out the link in the description. After removing the bolt securing the front spring mount, I clean up the area with a wire wheel and mark out my cuts. After a fair amount of cutting and grinding, I've removed a section of the rear bulkhead and its spring hanger reinforcement. Frustratingly, I'm going to have to put a patch on the floor where it sits underneath the spring hanger reinforcement because that's rotted away. I'm also going to have to repair part of the triangle structure within the bulkhead itself. After a few minutes work, my floor patch is complete. I've added a small return to give it a bit of strength and now it's ready to weld in. The process of making a card template and steel patch is repeated for the triangle structure inside the bulkhead before giving it all a coat of weld-through primer. Next, the bulkhead repair panel is marked to size and cut out. I then cleaned up the edges and punched holes in the flanges. I used a pillar drill to make 5mm holes that correspond with the bulkhead's inner structure. These are then plug welded to secure the panel, then the edges are stitched in. With the front of the bulkhead now sorted, before we can move on to the inner sill, we need to do something about the rear. The patchwork and welding is unsightly, but it is strong, so rather than cut out and replace the whole lot, I'm going to make good the welds that are there and only patch this lower section. The first thing to do, as usual, is make a template. So I've finished fabricating my repair panel. I've punched some holes along its base that can be plug welded to the lip of the floor, and I've also folded a return on its side that the inner sill can be welded to. The inner sill in place and I'm really pleased with its fit. That means it's time to make a controversial decision. I've decided not to reinstate the jacking points. Obviously this impacts the originality of the car, but I don't think it's going to affect the saleability. The Midget shape is iconic and known the world over, but for me personally, the holes in the sills just ruin the lines. I'm also not convinced by them as a lifting point anyway, and it leaves the sills open to the elements and the jacking points available for corrosion. Well, after 72 plug welds, the inner sill is finally on and we're making some really good progress with the car. All there's left to do now is give it a coat of primer. If you'd like any more updates and photos about this build or any of our others, check out our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below. Thanks for watching.